students, welcome to Paru's Academy. Today in this class we are going to learn about fundamental concepts. In fundamental concepts already we have learned about commands in Python programming. Today in this class we will learn about values and variables in Python programming. Come on, let's learn through PowerPoint presentation.
Hi students, welcome to Paru's Academy. Today in this class we are going to learn about fundamental concepts, values and variables. Let's see one by one. What do you mean by values? Values in Python. Values are nothing but numbers. It can be of different type. Okay, values can be of in different types. It can be of integer type. It can be of float and strings. See, this one is integer. The normal numbers are integers. Float means decimal point numbers. Float 1 to 5.60. Float is a type which have a decimal point. Next one is string. String is nothing but a collection of characters. String is a name. We can use a string values in Python by using double quotes or a single quotes. Next one is variables. What do you mean by variables? Variables are used to store a data values of data. So in Python has no command for declaring a variable. We don't have any commands for declaring a variable. A variable is created at the moment you first assign a value to it. For example, if we give x is equal to 5, automatically the Python will accept the value 5 to x. For example, when we give x is equal to 5, automatically x is termed as an integer variable. Okay, because 5 is an integer. Next, y is equal to within double quotes John. It means y is an string variable. Automatically y is termed as a string variable. The Python will take y as a string variable. Then we are going to print x, print y means print x means it will print 5. Print y means it will print John. Okay, this is about variable. Let's learn a variable in detail. Variables do not need to be declared with any particular type, and it can even change type after they have been set. We no need to declare a variable. We don't want to give a particular type to a variable. If you give x is equal to 4, automatically the Python program will accept that x is an integer variable. X is of type int. See this, x is equal to 4, x is of type int. This is a comment. Next one, x is equal to Sally. Within double quotes we have given within double quotes. So it is a x is a string variable. We don't want to declare any variable type. We don't want to declare a type of the variable. Automatically the Python will declare a type to the variable. Next, string variables can be declared either by using single quotes or double quotes. See here, for example, x is equal to John. X equal to within double quotes we have given John. X equal to within single quotes we have given John. These both are same. Okay, we can use double quotes and we can use single quotes. Come, let's learn some examples of these variables in Python ideally shell. For example, I am going to give x is equal to 5. Now I am going to print x. See here, x equal to 5, print x. Automatically the value which is stored inside x is printed here. Okay, this is a simple variable declaration. Okay, now let's see using string variable. Y is equal to, within double quotes I am giving Paru's Academy. Now I am going to print y. This is a simple way of declaring a variable. See here, I have given y is equal to Paru's Academy within double quotes. We have to use the string variables within double quotes. I am printing the variable y. See here, we got the output Paru's Academy. This is the way how to use a variable. For example, if we give y equal to within single quotes Paru's Academy, okay, enter. Now I am going to print y. See here, Parus Academy, I have given Parus Academy within single quotes and I have printed that y. So the values which is stored in y will be printed here. See here, this is our output. I have given a string variable. Okay, this is a string variable. For string variable we can use single quotes or double quotes. Okay, so this is the output for a string variable, and we can also give z is equal to 3.15. Okay, and print z. See here, I have given z is equal to 3.15, the float variable, and I have printed z. See, we have got the output.
Next one is, now we can check the type of the variable also. To check the type of the variable, just we have to give type and that variable name. The syntax is type variable name. Come, let's learn how to check the type of the variable. For example, x equal to 10. Enter. Now you give type open bracket x. Enter. See here, type of x is integer. So we got the result. The type of the variable x is integer. Next one, y is equal to 20.5. Enter. Type y. It means, see, now we got the result. The type of the variable y is float. Next, for example, z is equal to hello. Enter. Now type open bracket z close bracket, enter. See, now we got the result. The type of z is string. Okay, this is about how to check the type of the variable. Okay students, this is all about values and variables in Python. We will learn more about variables in next class. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. That's it for now. We will meet in next class. Thank you for watching.